Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting inside your Tradingview chart. Open it now and click the gear icon for chart settings, or right-click the background to access options. Once the dialog appears, focus on the Scale and Appearance or the Background tab, where Grid and Axis controls live. Make sure you're editing the correct layout. If you use multiple saved layouts, verify which one is active. This gets you directly to the controls you need. No detours, and lets you change visual elements immediately. Once in the settings, locate Grid or Background and turn off horizontal and vertical grid lines. You can also set grid opacity to 0% if a toggle is absent. Make sure to check for separate minor grid or crosshair grid options and disable them too, because Tradingview sometimes separates major and minor grids. If axis lines remain, go to Scales and disable axis lines or set color to transparent. After making changes, click OK or Save to apply them to the chart. Once you've disabled grids, save your layout or set it as a default template so the change sticks across sessions. If the grid still shows, refresh the page, clear Tradingview theme cache, or relaunch the app. Sometimes visual caching prevents updates. Make sure to repeat the process for each chart pane and check applied templates, because multiple panes each hold their own display settings. If problems continue, toggle a different theme briefly, then revert. That forces a full redraw and typically clears stubborn grid.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.